Did you know that you can start, change, or end your 401k contribution from the website anytime? If you know what percentage you would like to contribute to your 401k, it's quick and easy to make this change. Keep in mind that the company will match 50% on the first 6% of contributions. For example, if you contribute 4%, they'll contribute 2%. If you contribute 6%, they'll contribute 3%. Start by navigating to www.netbenefits.com. If you've not created an online profile, start with Register as a new user and follow all of the steps. If you're returning, log in with your username and password. From the home screen, simply follow this path. Quick links, contribution amount, begin change contributions, scroll down. Now you have 4 options. For regular payroll deductions, enter the percentage you want in the pre-tax or Roth boxes. You can divide your deduction between the 2 categories, for example, 3% in each. For your employee incentive plan or other bonuses, use the pre-tax bonus or Roth bonus boxes. Click Change, then review your amounts and click Submit. Now you'll see the confirmation. The update may take 1 to 2 payroll cycles. Congratulations on investing in your future. To learn how to change contributions on the smartphone app or to explore more options on the Fidelity website that can help you understand and enhance your investment experience, please look for future videos on the Tips from the Schwann's Lady YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.